Guys, so chapter 1 is about number system. Now starting with number system, we have two different types of numbers in physical world, or what can I say, in the mathematics world. The two numbers are basically, one is real number and is imaginary number. Now this topic is extremely higher level, but still, what is real and what is imaginary? There are so many theories, postulates, theses been published for real and imaginary, but in very simple word, what you know about real numbers, all you worked till now, all are real numbers, like 15 rupees, so the 15 is a real number, 2.5 is a real number, 1.3333 and recurring, this is also a real number. What happens with imaginary? Just imagine like that, if I say you a is a number and if I square this, I will get -2. Have you ever thought it that it can be possible that if I square a number and I will get -2? So what will be the value of a then? A will be root over of -2. Is it possible? But this is possible with imaginary number system. This will come into higher level, or what can I say, your +2 levels. But still now, let's stick with real numbers. Now again, real numbers are divided or classified into two parts, what I believe. First is irrational and rational. Now what is irrational and what is rational? Definitely that comes with ratio. Now there is a famous mathematician, Descartes, that person name is Descartes. Theories come from his end also, or many Greek mathematicians also. This rational and irrational comes with that word ratio. Now what is ratio? If a number can be presented as p by q form, that number is a rational number. What is p by q again? That thing, just think like that, that if I say 3.5, I can present it as 7 by 2. That p is 7 and q is 2. That q is called quotient. So number can be represented like that. If the number, then that number is definitely a rational number. So again, what will be the irrational number? Let's think like this. If I say to find out the value of root over of 2, what you will say? The root over of 2, okay. So it will be like this, 1.4141, continue. Or root over of 3, what will be? 1.732, going on. This is an irrational number. I can't represent it in any form, any p by q form. Sometimes this mathematics part is also comes with a term called surd, where we will work with rational and irrational number both. We will mostly work with irrational numbers.